You're out enjoying the moment, snapping photos, and recording videos on your iPhone, whether it's a weekend trip, a family gathering, or just everyday memories. But before you know it, that dreaded iPhone storage full notification pops up. You don't have to rush out to buy a new phone with a terabyte of storage just to download new music or TV shows. You also don't have to sift through your precious photos and videos to decide which are worth keeping. Instead, simply take advantage of certain iOS features and you might be able to free up considerable extra storage on your iPhone. There are two built-in iOS settings that can help you clean up a significant amount of storage on your iPhone, one permanent and the other temporary. More free space will let you install the latest software updates, take more photos and videos, and download more apps. Here's what you need to know. Optimize iPhone's photos and videos to get more storage. If you want to keep your precious memories, even just your meme screenshots, but still want to free up storage, the easiest way is to optimize the photos and videos already stored on your device. By default, every time you take a photo or video, it's saved in full resolution on your device. If you're capturing photos and videos in the highest resolution possible, they can take up quite a bit of space. A minute of video shot in 4K at 60 frames per second takes up approximately 400 MB, nearly half a gigabyte. That's pretty significant. To optimize your photos and videos, go to Settings and click on Photos and toggle on Optimize iPhone Storage. For this to work, you'll need to have the iCloud Photos setting above it enabled. Depending on how many photos and videos you have in your iPhone, this can take up quite a bit of time. But once it's finished, you should significantly see more space on your device storage. All of your full resolution photos and videos are then transferred over to your iCloud, while smaller, lower resolution versions are kept on your device to take up less space. If you want to access your higher resolution photos and videos, you can go into the Photos app and download any file that's being optimized. This requires a decent internet connection. Your recently taken photos and videos may exist in full resolution, so you won't need to download every photo or video. If you don't have enough iCloud storage, it's easier to upgrade your cloud than get a new phone. In the US, you can upgrade to 50 GB for only $1 a month, or you can go bigger. 200 GB for $3 a month, or 2 TB for $10 a month. Prices vary depending on your country or region. To upgrade your iCloud on your iPhone, go to Settings, click on your name, click on iCloud, then select Manage Account Storage. Now click on Buy More Storage. Choose a plan and then follow the instructions. If you upgrade to any paid iCloud subscription, you'll get access to iCloud Plus, which also offers the iCloud Private Relay and Hide My Email features. The second option, offload your largest apps to save iPhone storage space. You don't use every application stored on your iPhone. Many of them just sit there, like apps for airlines, third-party cameras, and music production. Even if you use these apps occasionally, you probably don't need daily access to most of them, which is why you should consider offloading apps, especially when you desperately need storage. Say you want to download and install the latest iOS update. If it's a major update like iOS 16, you may need a little over 5 GB to install the software. If it's a point update like iOS 16.1, you're looking at around 1 GB. And if you don't have enough storage space to update, you can quickly offload apps, which is a middle ground between keeping and deleting your apps. Go to Settings, click on General, and select iPhone Storage, and check which apps are taking up the most storage. Certain built-in apps like Photos and Messages can't be offloaded, so be warned. If you find a sizable app you want to offload, tap on it and hit Offload App. Wait a little bit and the app should then be removed offline, while your documents and data will stay saved on your device. If you need temporary storage for a software download, just go through the list and offload every app you can. The amount that's offloaded for each app will vary, but you should see the number next to app size. Discard the number next to documents and data because that will stay on your device. The only way to get rid of that is to actually delete the app. Offload as many apps as you need until you have enough storage. You can't use an app that's offloaded, but if you want to get the app back, go to your app library and tap on the iCloud button to re-download it. If the offloaded app is on your home screen, simply tap on it to download it. You won't have to re-sign in or anything. You'll have access to the app as if it was never deleted.